Ma'am, my next question to you is regarding the witness protection scheme that is provided by BNSS. It is in the earlier acts, no such protection scheme was provided, and this is something new altogether. How do you think this is going to impact our criminal justice system?
See, Jeremy Bentham, who's an English philosopher and jurist,
Right.
had said once witnesses are the eyes and ears of justice. So therefore, I think there was a long overdue need to protect the ears and ears of justice in that sense. So this is going to impact the legal system in a big way. In the case of Ramesh versus State of Haryana, Supreme Court had acknowledged certain issues which were attributed to witnesses turning hostile, etc. And the court had said that sometimes it is threat, which is intimidation and inducement by various means such as money or muscle power, and protracted trials and hassle that a witness is exposed to during investigation and during trial. So, but in 2018, India had seen its first witness protection scheme. But unfortunately, this was at the stage of policy at that time, so therefore did not really transform to a statute. So it wasn't not mandatorily followed by the states. And this scheme had in fact identified 3 different categories of witnesses as per the threat perception. There was category A, where the threat extended to the life of the witness or the family, and then whether it is during trial or it is during investigation or even thereafter. And then there was category B, and this was the cases where the threat extended to safety, reputation or property of the witnesses or their families. And then there was category C, where the threat perception was moderate and it extended to only harassment and intimidation, etc. And which could be to their family members, reputation, property. So therefore, on these bases, there was a report which was to be made, which was threat analysis report. And on the basis of this report, which was prepared by the competent authority, that a particular case was categorized to be category A, B, or C. So, but somehow it did not really travel to the stage of being mandatory. So now, I think with every state is bound by law to make a scheme. This should definitely help in the sanctity of a trial as well as the expeditious
Fair trials when you have some. Thank you, ma'am.